everyone, welcome to our channel.
Hi.
My name is Mayzen and my sister's name is
Mila.
We're gonna make slime, so let's get started. First, you put in the water, 1 cup. And you spill it in the little bowl. Then we will get the borax and take this teaspoon and put it in the with that. And then we're going to mix it, kind of. And then we're going to put in the glitter. You can also use it with this. You put it like that. And screw it back on. Get the other glitter. You can put glitter if you want to. You don't have to put glitter. But I think it will look good. So I'm going to mix it.
Oh, it looks beauty.
And then we're going to take the big gallon of glue and spill it in the half cup.
Be careful, May.
I know. Whoa, that's cool.
Too much.
Huh? That's okay. I'm going to put it in the big bowl. I put a little too much. But that's okay. Then we're going to put the water in.
No, May, not now.
And spill it in here. I'm going to mix it a little. And then now we're going to spill this in. And we're going to mix both of them together. You can see how it's making slime a little. Mix it a little more. Let's see it. Whoa.
I will try. I will feel.
Okay, Mila. Take some.
Oh my God.
And then this, how will it turn out? And then look. You can see the glitter. It might not see the pink, but can you see that little heart?
Mm-hmm.
Very
I
glittery.
see a lot of hearts and a
Yeah.
lot of blues.
Okay, this is the second video, so let's get started. So we get a half cup of glue and we put it in. And we're going to put it in the big bowl.
I forgot to say my name.
No, we don't say your name. Trying to get all of it in. It's okay if it goes on the table because we have a cover. And you can put these googly eyes in if you want to. And we're going to put the glitter in. You can also use this if you want to. And then we're going to dump it in here. And then we're mix it. And then we're going to take this.
Oh my God.
And then we're going to put it in here. Hold this aside. And then we're going to put I'm gonna put this in.
And now mix.
If you want to mix. And then last, but not least, put this in.
Oh, it's white. I thought it was blue.
On the edges. And then now, I will feel it.
Oh, is
And then-
it sweet?
Mix. Okay, stop. And then we're gonna
Oh
I'm
my
gonna
god.
put this in.
Oh my. Oh my. I can't.
You can get a different one, different thing to scrape out. Kind of easy.
Nice. Got it.
Oh,
This is too much.
I can. We have to mix it in good.
Make noise.
No, Mila, it's just the bubbles. Okay, can I have it? Oh. And then we're gonna stretch it out. Come on, pull. Slowly. Ah! Now we each have a slime. Super cool, right, guys?
Yeah, guys.
Comment down below if you liked our video, and also don't forget to subscribe. And which side